When it comes to increasing the value of your home, few investments are as impactful as professional renovations. Whether you're planning to sell in the future or simply want to enhance your living space, working with an experienced company can make all the difference. C&G Remodeling and Roofing helps homeowners achieve lasting value through expert renovations that improve both functionality and appearance. One of the most important ways C&G Remodeling and Roofing adds value is by focusing on high-quality craftsmanship. Every project is completed with attention to detail, ensuring that improvements not only look great but also stand the test of time. From roofing upgrades to interior remodeling, quality workmanship helps prevent future issues and reduces the need for costly repairs. This reliability is something both homeowners and potential buyers appreciate. Roofing is a key area where value can be significantly increased. A well-maintained or newly installed roof is one of the first things people notice about a home. It provides essential protection while also enhancing curb appeal. C&G Remodeling and Roofing ensures that roofing systems are built to withstand weather conditions while maintaining a clean, polished look. A strong, durable roof signals that a home is well cared for, which can boost its overall market appeal. In addition to roofing, interior renovations play a major role in improving home value. Updating kitchens, bathrooms, and living spaces can transform how a home feels and functions. C&G Remodeling and Roofing works closely with homeowners to create designs that reflect modern trends while meeting practical needs. Whether it's improving layout, upgrading fixtures, or enhancing finishes, these changes make spaces more attractive and enjoyable. Energy efficiency is another important factor in increasing home value. Today's homeowners are more conscious of energy use and utility costs. C&G Remodeling and Roofing incorporates energy-efficient solutions into their renovation projects, such as improved insulation, updated roofing materials, and modern windows or doors. These upgrades help regulate indoor temperatures, reduce energy consumption, and lower monthly expenses. Over time, these savings add to the overall value of the home. Functionality is another area where expert renovations make a difference. As lifestyles change, homeowners often need their spaces to adapt. C&G Remodeling and Roofing helps reconfigure layouts to improve flow and usability. This might include creating open-concept living areas, adding storage solutions, or updating outdated designs. A home that functions well for everyday living is more appealing and valuable in the long run. Curb appeal is also a major contributor to property value. Exterior improvements, such as updated roofing, siding, or entryways, can dramatically change how a home looks from the outside. C&G Remodeling and Roofing focuses on creating a cohesive and attractive exterior that enhances the home's overall appearance. A visually appealing home not only makes a strong first impression but also stands out in the market. Durability and long-term performance are key benefits of working with experienced professionals. C&G Remodeling and Roofing uses high-quality materials designed to withstand daily wear and environmental factors. This ensures that renovations continue to perform well over time, reducing maintenance needs and preserving value. Homeowners can feel confident that their investment will last. Another advantage is the personalized approach to each project. Every home is unique, and C&G Remodeling and Roofing takes the time to understand each homeowner's goals and preferences. This allows them to deliver customized solutions that align with both style and functionality. A tailored renovation adds a level of quality and attention that generic upgrades simply can't match. Increased market appeal is a natural result of these improvements. Homes that feature modern designs, energy-efficient upgrades, and high-quality finishes tend to attract more interest from buyers. Even if you're not planning to sell right away, knowing your home is more competitive in the market adds peace of mind. Finally, expert renovations enhance everyday living. Beyond financial value, a well-renovated home offers greater comfort, convenience, and enjoyment. Improved layouts, updated features, and better performance all contribute to a higher quality of life. In the end, C&G Remodeling and Roofing helps homeowners increase their property value through thoughtful, high-quality renovations. By combining craftsmanship, efficiency, and personalized design, they create spaces that not only look better but also perform better, delivering lasting value for years to come.